In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Wise. This is a quick update you can do right from the mobile app, and it's important to keep your contact details current so you don't miss account alerts, security notifications, or transaction updates. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection and the latest version of the Wise app installed for the smoothest experience. Also, have your new email handy and ready to type in accurately. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top left corner. You'll see a small profile icon, which might look like a circle with a silhouette or your initials. Tap that to open your account settings. This is the area where you can review and manage your personal information. Inside your settings, find and tap Personal Details. This is where Wise keeps your core contact info, including your name, phone number, and the email linked to your account. Keeping this section up to date helps ensure your account stays secure and that you receive important messages in the right inbox. Next, select email address. You'll see the email currently associated with your Wise account. This is a good moment to confirm you truly want to replace it and that you have access to the new email you plan to use, since important communications will go there going forward. Now, enter your new email address carefully, type it slowly, and double check for common typos, missing characters, extra spaces, or mistakes in the domain. Accuracy matters here because a small typo can prevent you from receiving essential emails. If you manage multiple inboxes, choose one you check regularly, ideally a long-term personal email rather than one that might change. When you're happy with what you've entered, tap Continue. The app will process your update. Depending on your settings, you might see on-screen prompts or a confirmation notice. If you encounter an error, it's often due to formatting, an already used email, or a temporary connection issue. Simply review your entry, ensure your connection is stable, and try again. That's all it takes. You opened the Wise app, went to your profile, visited Personal Details, selected email address, entered the new address, and tapped Continue. Your change should sync across your devices, and you'll be all set to receive Wise communications in the right place. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, keep your details current for a safer, more reliable Wise experience.